Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to add black bars to your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. My name is Afzal, and if you're someone who's interested in learning new tips and tricks in Adobe Premiere Pro, subscribe to my channel now. Let's begin. So the first method is to go to Google, write black bar PNG Premiere Pro. Go to Images. Select the first one. Just make sure you check the resolution. Mine is 1920 by 1080. I'm going to save it onto my desktop. I'm going to open up Premiere Pro, click on it and import it into the project, and then I'm going to show you. I'm just going to put them above the video. So there you have it. This is the first method. The second method is to apply crop effect onto the video like this. So you go to the effects, search for crop, apply the crop onto the video, and then come into the effects control panel, and from top just add 10, and from bottom add another 10%. So this way, if you notice, the black bars have been added already. So the third and final method of adding the black bars to your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro is by going to the sequence, click on settings, and change the value over here from 1080 to 980 and press OK. You won't be able to see the black bars over here just yet until you export them. So once you export them, in this video I'm going to show you 3 ways to add black bars to your. Once the video is exported, you can see the black bars are added at the top and at the bottom. So that's about it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, share it with a friend, and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much. Take care.